Electronic media, please. Print media वाले 2 मिनट के लिए बैठ जाइए so that we do the release. Let's do the release first. Alright, I'm now going to ask Mr. Vivek Krishnani, Senior Vice President, Revenue and Marketing, MSM Motion Pictures, to kindly say a few words. Guys, we need some silence.
Alright, thank you everybody for coming here. Really appreciate it. We are actually, Piku is a really special film for us, and we're really overwhelmed by the love that the audiences have given us. And we'd like to thank you guys, the media, for your support for this film as well. With this DVD release,
Guys, can we please have some
I know you'll get an opportunity obviously to hear Mr. Bachchan, Irfan and Shujit talk as well. But I just like to start this off by saying that with this DVD release, it will give people an opportunity to bring Piku into their lives once again and relive this journey many times over in their own households. So at MSM, we're really proud to have associated with this film, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vivek. We now have Shweta Agnihotri, CEO, Reliance Home
video and game. Shweta, if you could kindly say a few words about your association with this DVD launch.
Good evening everyone, thank you for being here today. Reliance Home Video and Games is extremely delighted to partner in this terrific movie. Endearing, insightful, entertaining. I think consumers are going to enjoy every scene of the film again and again by watching it in the comfort of their home. I'd like to thank Vivek and Sneha from MSM for giving us the opportunity, and of course the great talent on stage. Thank you very much, and I would really request all of you, if you want to hear what is going to be said on stage, then we do need silence, please. You can talk all you want in your Q&A session in about 15 minutes. Can we please have some silence?
Alright, members of the media, please, we now have the director and the stars of the movie talking. We would like you to please maintain some silence so that the purpose that we are here for today, the launch, can be done. I'm now going to request the director of the movie, Shujit Sarkar, to kindly say a few words. Shujit.
Hi, good evening everybody, and thank you so much for coming, and I'm really happy because such a overwhelming response that we have got for Piku. And as Vivek said, it's really a special film, and working with some of the three of the top actors from our industry, and I'd like to thank Juhi for writing such a beautiful script, Ronnie and all the team, and I hope this becomes this DVD is also as special as the film was. It's just not, you don't just keep it on the shelf, keep watching it, because there are a lot of things I think that has gone into this film, and I think this film is also a lesson for me as a director, and for my writer Juhi, for both of us. So I hope you keep on enjoying as long this film is there on your shelf.
Thank you so much, Ajit. Irfan, thank you so much for being here with us today. You were such an integral part of the movie, and we are at its DVD launch now.
I'm really thankful that I was part of this film, this movie. It has given a lot of pleasure. It was blessed from the beginning, and in these times when the life of any movie is getting shorter and shorter, I think it's a great privilege for me to bring it again onto DVD. And there are few films which you want to promote from your heart. You feel like you don't want to avoid promoting. These are the films. This is a film which I was especially connected from the beginning, and I had a great vibes of this film, and I think this film has given immense pleasure and happiness. And thank you to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Making it successful.
Thank you so much, Irfan. Mr. Bachchan, thank you so much for being here with us. From the movie being critically acclaimed to being so loved by the masses, and to have you here with us do the DVD launch for it. Can we please have you say a few words, sir?
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सब लोगों का। आज के इस उद्घाटन समारोह में आप लोग यहाँ सब उपस्थित हैं, और धन्यवाद देना चाहिए इस देश की जनता को, जितने भी दर्शक थे, क्योंकि इतने वर्षों के बाद काम करने के बाद कहीं ना कहीं अब लगता है कि हर दशक में दर्शक जो है वो बदलता रहता है, उसकी चाह, उसकी लगन, उसके देखने का अंदाज, वो सब बदलता रहता है। और हम सब अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली समझते हैं कि जब हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो दर्शकों का दिमाग, उनकी अकल, उनके देखने की जो चाह थी वो बदल गई और उन्होंने पीकू को बहुत ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा दिया। उन सबको मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। लेकिन जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, फिल्म जो है बिना लेखक के, बिना डायरेक्टर के, बिना कलाकारों के सफल नहीं हो पाती है। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं जूही चतुर्वेदी जी को धन्यवाद दूंगा। हमारे इंडस्ट्री में लेखक जो होते हैं उनको इतना ज़्यादा महत्व कभी कभी नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन अगर वो इस तरह की कहानी न लिखती, इस तरह के ख्याल सामने न लाती तो हम लोग कुछ भी न कर पाते। उनके संवाद, जिस तरह से उन्होंने स्क्रीन पे लिखा, किस तरह से उन्होंने और सुजीत ने मिल करके इसको बनाया, ये सब बहुत ही तारीफ के काबिल है। और इरफान और दीपिका और जितने भी हमारे सह कलाकार थे हमारे साथ, सब ने मिल करके बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया। ऐसा लगा नहीं हमको, और हम कई बार कह चुके हैं कि हमको लगा नहीं कि एक हम फिल्म में काम कर रहे हैं। हमें लगा कि एक दरअसल एक अपना एक छोटा सा परिवार है और रोज़ सुबह आकर के मिलते हैं और शाम को एक दूसरे को बतिया करके फिर घर चले जाते हैं। बहुत बहुत